This is so pretty. Tell me, like, is this not giving you natural? Is it not giving you growing out of my scalp? Is it not giving you suppressed? Like, I think I really snapped once again. When it comes to these wig installs, y'all, I ain't gonna play with it, okay? This hair is bomb. The company is bomb. The hair is bomb. Everything is bomb. Like, I slayed it. It looks so natural. Everybody thinks this is my natural hair. I've been getting compliments. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Keandra back at it again with another video. And as y'all can see by the title and by today's look, I'm about to be reviewing this Yaki straight textured wig, y'all. It's speaking for itself right now. Period. So we're gonna just jump straight into the video. Thank you so much, Fenjun hair, for sending me this unit. Oop, y'all saw the lace in the back. I didn't cut it. But this hair is bomb. It's so natural. Perfect for if you're looking for like a natural, it's growing out of my scalp, silk press, black girl hair. Like, don't look like my real hair. But anyways, make sure you thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for post notifications. And let's just roll the clip. All right, you guys, so when you receive your wig, it will come in this white box with pink letters, which I thought was really pretty. And it also does come wrapped in plastic. They packaging is just so subtle but pretty to me. So I'm opening up the box, and in the box you will receive your wig. It came inside of a big plastic like Ziploc bag, and then they did throw in a necklace and some black wig caps, which I didn't use. But this is how the wig comes. I'm just showing y'all what that sticker said. It is a 360 lace frontal unit, so that was nice. It did come wrapped in a net, and it had the white paper inside of it. That is what it looked like straight out of the package. This wig is retailed on Amazon at $117, which I thought it was really affordable. It is a 14-inch unit. And y'all, I'm in love with this wig. I did go ahead and wash and bleach it off camera, and I did over bleach the knots just a little bit, but we about to fix that in about 2 seconds, period. So I got my quick cover up. My mom actually got this from the beauty supply store, I believe, and I like it because it comes like a kind of like mascara with the wand applicator, so it's very easy to apply in case you over bleach your knots, which I do sometimes. I ain't a pro. I'm gonna tell the truth. But yeah, so that's what the wig was looking like. I did go ahead and blow dry it off camera as well, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like in a second. But I thought she was looking real good, y'all, and I didn't even pluck it at this point. That was all they plucking. So this wig did come pre-plucked. I did go in, y'all see me later, go in and pluck it a little bit more, but they did pretty good. So at this point, it's on my head, and I decided to put it on my head. I usually never pluck wigs while they on my head, but with this one, it was kind of hard to tell because on my mannequin, I'm like, oh, they plucking was on point. Like, I didn't need to go in and do any more. But then when I put it on, I was like, nah, Keandra, you could use a little bit more plucking. So that's what I'm doing right now. All right, guys. So I took it off of the mannequin head. After taking it off of my head, just to pluck it some more. Because when I was looking at it on a mannequin, it looked like they did enough plucking. But, I mean, they did pretty good, but I had to just go in a little bit more. I really like this wig. This is my first time trying a kinky straight wig, and I really like it. It just looks like my hair. Like my hair just got blow dried, or, well, it don't look like this when it get blow dried. I just lied. It probably look like this if it got like flat ironed, similar to this, because this is a 360, what is it called, a 360 lace wig. So it does have a lace in the back. I just cut, this was connected, but I just cut it off. Lace came like a medium brown color, like a really good, like it matches my complexion to a T actually. So they snapped with that. So while I'm cutting the tabs off around the ears, I did want to mention that the shipping on this wig was like crazy. I think I got this wig in a day or two, so that was really good. A con to the hair is that it did shed just a little bit though. It was nothing too crazy, but it did shed when I washed it. So what I'm gonna do now is lift this up. I got like a crazy little ball cap situation happening, but it's whatever. I'm about to go get my bow hold glue and we about to glue this baby down. I've had this bow hold glue for like a little minute now, just because I don't use it all the time. I'm finna start using it though, because this was like $20 or $25 or something, 23, I don't know. I'll put the link in the description where you could buy this. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know about this glue. It's pretty popular all over Instagram and everything. So we're about to use this today. And this is an actual glue, because usually I lay my wigs down with got to be glued, and I have to do that like every day, every 2 days. And I'm doing a thin layer at a time. You want it to be thin so that it could dry fast. So I'm gonna wait till it turns clear and then apply the next coat. Y'all, this is one of the best ways to go about cutting the lace off of y'all wigs, just in sections. So I believe I do about 3 cuts. And you see that thing that I'm using right there, that razor, that's like an eyebrow razor or something like that. Y'all, that is really like the secret to getting the most natural looking installs. Because when you use regular scissors, you can, I mean, even cutting in a zigzag motion, sometimes you still get a crazy line of demarcation. But with that razor, I don't know, it just cuts the lace so jaggedy, like, so that it don't look so straight across, if that makes sense. But anyways, that's the best way y'all can go about y'all wigs looking natural. People always telling me, oh my gosh, like your hair looks so natural, you did a good job. And it's them 2 things right there. I found my edge brush. All right. See, yes, this is what I need. So while I'm in the process of laying these baby hairs with that black got to be glue, I'm gonna just let y'all know now, another secret to a really natural looking install is a powder foundation or anything like that. Foundation or anything that matches your skin tone. And also a silk scarf. Now, y'all didn't see me lay the silk scarf on camera, but I always do that after laying my baby hairs. It just really further melts that lace. And it just looks so natural, y'all, especially with the powder. I don't know, something about that scarf. I got hair and stuff everywhere. Like, if y'all saw this table right now, y'all would be like, did she do her own hair or did she have clients today? All right, y'all, so I'm back. I just, you know what I was supposed to be doing? I wanna know what you gonna do, cause I ain't trying to go through deja vu. It's some bullshit that I went through. I hope it's not the same with you. Period. Period, summer. All right, y'all, so I finished beating my face or whatever. Just a simple little beat. So here's the close-up on my makeup. I wish I had a wax stick. That's what I need to get. But instead of that, we're gonna be using mousse. Now the final finishing touches is what really makes the whole look, y'all. So I do really recommend a hot comb, because hot combs get your stuff flat, slick, and laid, okay? So I did press the hair out with the hot comb, especially focusing on where my part was. I'm gonna go in with my Bio Silk oil that we love. It's just great for styling your hair and making it not look like dry, and just making it smooth and silky. So I'm going in with my flat iron, and I'm just really I'm going crazy with it, okay? Because we need this hair flat, sleek, and laid, okay? Period. This look like it's my hair. Oh, this is really cute. I think I did that. I bumped it a little bit. She's cute. Could even do like a little tiny curl or something. Y'all, I really like this. It's giving me natural. It's giving me silk press. It's giving me like a little auntie vibes, but a cute auntie. I like it. Y'all, I think I really slayed this. Like, if they say ain't the baddest in the mother lab. Period. What was that? This is my hair. Like, this is growing out of my scalp. Fenjun hair. Y'all really did y'all thing with this wig. I'm pretty sure I went through all the details in the beginning of this video, but this is an Amazon company that reached out to me. So I really appreciate you guys for sending me over this unit. It's really nice. I really like it. So if you're looking for some affordable hair and like a more natural, like even the length and even the look, like a Yaki straight texture wig, definitely go check them out. I'm gonna leave the links in the description box. And we about to get a slow-mo going, period. Oh, snap, y'all. This is so freaking cute. I love it. This is so pretty. Tell me, like, is this not giving you natural? Is it not giving you growing out of my scalp? Is it not giving you silk press? Like, I think I really snapped once again. When it comes to these wig installs, y'all, I ain't gonna play with it, okay? Like, y'all go shop with them. It's very affordable, very worth your coin if you're looking for a natural wig. Y'all give this video a thumbs up because I slayed this wig. And go follow my socials. Follow my Instagram at Keandraahzhane. Add me on Snapchat at Keandraahzhane. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my
ever ask was you to pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kiss me some hugs.